Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off or turn on auto screen rotation in your phone Vivo Y16. First of all, open any app in your phone. Here I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, see what happens. Screen is also rotated. That is, screen is rotated from portrait to landscape. If you want to stop the screen rotation, you can do it. Just go to the notification area and click on auto rotate. Auto rotate is already turned on. You have to turn it off. Just click on auto rotate and it will turn off. Now open the same app Google Chrome and try to rotate your phone. No, screen is not rotated, it is fixed in portrait position. If you want to have really that auto screen rotation, again go to the notification area and click on auto rotate option, and now screen will be rotated. See here, yes, screen is rotated. In the landscape itself you can turn off auto rotate. Yes, now screen is rotated to portrait. So in this way you can easily control auto screen rotation in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.